සඳහා මිනිත්තු 5ක කාලයක් තියෙනවා.
Honourable Member, at the outset, let me thank Dr. Raghavan for bringing this timely motion. I think the Honourable Member knows that Sri Lanka joins other nations in observing International Day of Solidarity with Palestinian people, which falls on 29th November every year. I remember when I was in Belgrade this year to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the NAM conference. One of the topics which was prominently taken out was the subject of Palestine. It's also regrettable to note that 60 years ago, when the world leaders were meeting in Belgrade, the same topic was under discussion. So Sri Lanka has consistently supported the inalienable rights of the Palestinian people and their right to an independent and sovereign state based on the relevant UN Security Council resolution. The government of Sri Lanka supported the resolution granting Palestinian non-member observer status in the United Nations in 2012. Sri Lanka continued to support full membership for Palestine in the United Nations. Sri Lanka has since 1968, as chair of the United Nations Special Committee on Israeli practices affecting human rights of the Palestinian people and other Arabs of the occupied territories, have been one of the most significant voices of the United Nations on the subject of unfortunate conditions of the preoccupied territories. Sri Lanka's long-standing principle position on Israel-Palestine issue is that we support the diplomatic efforts to find lasting solutions to the conflict and request both parties to engage in a dialogue to achieve durable peace. We believe that two states living side by side in harmony with one another within the secured borders is key to achieving long-term security, peace and prosperity. Sri Lanka reiterates in this context that the importance of an early implementation of the United Nations General Assembly resolution regarding a two-state solution on the basis of the 1967 borders. Honourable Presiding Member, in line with the aforesaid position, we have supported Palestine at multilateral fora. For instance, at the WHO and at the United Nations General Assembly, we have always supported Palestine. In 2011, Sri Lanka voted in favour of Palestine becoming a member of the UNESCO. Sri Lanka continues to support full membership of Palestine in the United Nations. Sri Lanka has chaired the UN Special Committee on Investigating Palestinian Practices, as I mentioned before, since 1968. And also, as you are aware, that the Prime Minister has been the President of Sri Lanka Palestine Association for a considerable period of time, I think for over 3 decades. So we are with the people of Palestine, and we hope that this issue of Palestine will not drag into another century, and the world leaders will put enough pressure on the two states of Palestine and Israel to come to an agreeable settlement. Thank you.